Are you able to see now?
Yes.
Yeah, there was only bottom level I am not able to. Yeah, that's the problem. In when I was on FF na
The bottom
FF
left,
level, bottom level was not able to see.
not able
That is
to
the problem.
see.
Yeah, not visible on that.
You are at first floor right now.
Yes, yes. But now the problem is not open, so I'm not able to see it. Show that one also. Okay, once I will open, we will check that.
Okay, sure.
Yeah.
Have you shared the link? Tell me, screen is visible?
Yes.
Okay. Now, tell me, from where we can start today? We start family or we start reinforcement? Hello? I'm audible?
Yes, yes.
Tell me, start with family or reinforcement? Reinforcement first. Okay. Now see, we are going to again the same project one. I'm going to start with reinforcement here. Okay. So for that, we are going to take first section here so that we can easily check the portion. Okay. Now see, we have here foundation. We have here column. Okay. We have here beam. If you want to create some portion here, we can go through that. Okay. Now see, whenever you are selecting your any object like this, you get here we have option rebar, but it is not highlighted here. Why? Because it is not working in 3D. Okay. If you are taking any view, like saying suppose north view, now you can check it is selected, then the reinforcement will be here or rebar. Okay. Now, but here we can't check properly because the back portion, back column will be the foundation is there, or this is a first column, first foundation here from this view. That is not checked properly now. That's why we are going to create first section. I'm going to create section view from level 1. I need to create here section suppose, so that we can get the foundation, we can get the column and beam, all three. So section view, how to create? See in the top we have option here section, or we have option in the view tab, this section. Okay, you can create any section from any floor plan view. You can use first level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, up to you. Over section and create a line here passing through beam or column or foundation. We get the section view. See, you want this side section view or opposite side, it depend on this reversible arrow key. Then how much portion you want to see? I want to see only first one foundation, then beam and column. So we can reduce its view to this. Okay, here we have range. All you want to see, or only two I want to see, only one I want to see. So that is we have to depend on us if which section we have to see. Now click outside. Section will be ready. Section is visible into the project browser here. See, below this elevation we have option section view. Here it is building section. Double click on this section 1 to see it. See, here we have the foundation, plinth beam, column and upper beam. Okay, I hope section is clear.
Yes.
Now see how to place the rebar, how to place the reinforcement. Let's start with foundation. So in foundation we had two type of reinforcement: top reinforcement, bottom reinforcement. Bottom reinforcement. Okay, and how we are going to place it? So first we had to check the reinforcement library. Okay, so how we can check it? See, just select your part and go to click into rebar. It shows first time if you are using the reinforcement here, it shows rebar shape definition will include the hooks and ignore end treatments. These options can be changed under the reinforcement settings and should be set before adding any rebar element to the project. So we can change into it. click on OK. You can see in the right side, we have number of types of reinforcement. Visible? The simple straight bar without any hook. This is hook with 180-degree. This hook is is with 90-degree. Okay. So we have the different reinforcement here for different. For slabs, we have different types of reinforcement. See, here reinforcement we have. So multiple types of reinforcement there. If you are not able to see it, because when we are using it first time, na, this portion, its visibility is not there. So you have to click on these three dots. I'm closing it. Now here we have nothing. We have only names here. I can't see the image. Then you have to click on this three dots. It is launch or close rebar shape browser. We can open the rebar browser from here. Now we need to place, suppose this 90-degree reinforcement. Just select it, and now you can check what is the parameters, what is the property of it. Check it in the property bar. It is 13M. Okay. In this we have different sizes, and then you can check the name shape is M02. It is layout single rule, and these are the parameters here. Okay, the bar length is for 4254 if we are talking about single length. Okay, and you want to see it multiple properties, you have to click on this added type button. You can check more. The bar diameter is 12.7 mm. That's why its name is 13M. Okay. You can check. Now you want to use suppose 8 mm, 10 mm dia, so you can use it. Then we have standard bend diameter is 80 mm. Standard hook bend diameter 80 mm. Tie bend diameter 50 mm. So that data we can change also. Otherwise, this is by default values for 13M. Okay, you can check the hook length here. Go to edit, and you can check the hook length. If it is 90-degree, it give you 200 mm. If it is 180 degrees, it give you 150 mm. That is the length of hook. It is maximum at 90-degree. Okay. So you want to change it, you can change also. Anytime you can edit. Now I'm going with the default parameters first. With 12.7 mm dia, I want to place it. Okay, so how we can go to place? See, select your object, go to rebar, and select your shape, and now we have to place it. Where? I need to place in a bottom reinforcement. See, I am placing the cursor to our foundation. It shows you bottom reinforcement, see, but it is far away from the outer edge. That is known as cover. So what is cover here? Let's check first. So here in the structure, we have option cover. So cover is different for different purpose. Okay, in foundation it is 50 mm, in columns it is 40 mm, in beam it is 25 to 30 mm. Okay, so we can check the rebar here where it is placed. You can check the cover setting. See, it is placed here like this. We have the multiple data here. In slabs, boss is 20 mm by default. In the framing and columns is 40 mm. In foundation it is 50 mm. Okay. Want to create more, to go for duplicate or add, you can create more rebar shape distances. But by default they are okay. And by default is taken 50 mm. When I'm going to place it, see, Click on the reinforcement rebar. Now see, place it here. It is placed at the bottom reinforcement. If you want to place it at the top, see it is opposite automatically. Okay. But why it is look like I want to see is perpendicular portion, then to see in the top, we have placement options. These three. Current work plane is like this, in which section we are going to place. Near cover the different. It is not visible here. This type of shape is there. Far cover, it is same. So current plane is like a far cover this time. Okay. Near cover means you can see in a dot format. I can show you when it is placing. Okay. Now, next we have parallel and perpendicular. So this is parallel one. And perpendicular, you can see it is dot with hook. Okay. This is dot with hook. You can place it anywhere. Now, this time I'm going to place work plane parallel. Now, at the bottom reinforcement. So, until you are not clicking it, that is not placed. Now, how many rebars you want to place in it? So, here we have rebar set option. Go with single. So, it's only a single rebar. But I want multiple na, as a grid. Then we have multiple option. If you know how many numbers are there, go with fixed number. And you can type the value here. How many reinforcement you want to give here. Or you didn't know that, you know the space between them, then you can go with maximum spacing. It's 778 mm by default taken. That means how many are there when you are placing it up, then we can get. Okay. See, it shows 11 quantity. When we are placing it now, see, it shows 11 there in the rebar set. Now you want to know, I don't want 11, I need 150 mm in gap between them. So 13 are there, see. Click on it so that it is placed. Now see, 13 are placed. If you want to check it, now we are going to 3D and we want to check it. It is placed or not. See, it is not visible here because in 3D it shows realistic view. I want to see in a wireframe. Go to change to graphic display, wireframe, and you can check here it is. The reinforcement. 13 bars are there. Now you want to create a perpendicular of it. Then same section. This time we want to place perpendicular. Select again. Go to rebar. Now perpendicular. And I need to place it like this. Okay, but how many number spacing I need? Suppose one same 150 mm. See, it is placed. Now I want to see it. Go for 3D view. It is bottom reinforcement. Clear how to place? See, that portion is common for all. How to place? Is it clear? Is it clear? Okay, one is clear. Varsha,
Yes,
Vishakha.
yes, yes.
Yes.
Okay, Niranjan, clear. Hari.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I want to place top reinforcement, but I don't want hook there. Just suppose. Then what to do? Select your foundation, go to rebar and select without hook bar. This one, M00. And then you can able to place it. See, it is like a simple dot. If it is straight bar, there is no hook. Okay, it is perpendicular. You want to see parallel, so it shows as a line. See, it is simple as line. So it is top reinforcement. If there is needed, you can place it. Okay. That is an important portion on which work plane you are working and on which orientation you want to place. Okay, and you can easily place it. Now, just suppose I'm going with column here. What we need, suppose I need to place in the column 3 reinforcement each side. Okay, how we can place it? Similar way, select your column, go to rebar. Now, straight bars I required and need 3. Go with the fixed number and giving the value 3. And you can place it like this. See, this is a line wire, and we can place it this side and this side. Okay, so both sides we have 3 right now. Now let me check in 3D view. See this reinforcement here, this one, and these 3 are here. Now you want to change its height. Just select and you can drag to your top. You can change its height. We can edit anytime. Okay. Similar, if you want to tie this reinforcement with your bottom reinforcement, we can increase it. See how we can change. Just you can select it and you can increase it here. Similar here this side. Okay, you can check the reinforcement is here. Now you want to tie with this, so you have to add it into this. So we need to add it into a sketch. See, just select and here you have an option edit sketch. Just click it and you can create one more line. So bend is automatically created. Okay, let's see. The reinforcement is look like this. Simple here, added sketch, then select through line. See, now I can show you in 3D. Is it visible?
Yes.
You want to place it like this, you can place. On the top, you want more dowel portion, so you can create here. Then you want to tie these all with the help of strips. So now we are going with strips here. I want to tie from here inside the column. Then we have again select your object, go to reinforcement, and go down into the rebar shape. Here we have strips also. See this type of strip. This is strip with 135-degree angle hook with 90-degree hook. If the column is circular, or you can tie with circular, so you can use circular strips. Like right now, we require this type of reinforcement. Click it and see it is placing here. But it is say right now it is not perpendicular to the plane. This is parallel. I need to create perpendicular. Then can use as perpendicular. Now see it is as like a line it is placed. How many you require? Same process. So I need 100 mm. See, I need 200 mm. Okay, this we can place it. See, they are placed and the reinforcement is under the strips now. Is that clear? Now I can check in 3D. Okay. You can represent your reinforcement like this.
Finish.
Yes.
Good evening.
Good evening. Yes, Nishi.
Yeah, actually, if I means at joint, if you know that joint, we keep the less spacing, and means sometimes in a column throughout it is not a same spacing. At joint it
Yes.
may be less, and at the middle it is bit more. It varies. So how we can then manage?
So we have to create it manually.
Okay,
Here we
okay,
didn't have any script distribution system.
okay,
Okay, so we have to give a small length. See, by how much we have to cover, we have to select like that. Okay. See, here we have next option. Number with it is placing 200 we required, but quantity we required 10 suppose. See, till here they are 200 mm. After that you can take it more. Okay. We want to change its parameters, like select it, go to sketch family, not here. See, from here you want to place. See, single you can create, otherwise again with number spacing 100 this side suppose. And how many you want to create? Suppose 10. Okay, clear?
yes,
Any other doubt?
No, sir.
This is a strip distribution. Okay, which is required for load distribution also. Okay, where we have
Okay.
maximum load, strips are more. Where we have less, there will be the less number of strips.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Any other doubt till now? How to edit your reinforcement? How to placement? See, like
No, sir.
column, it is
No.
very similar way. We can go with beam also.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Select your beam, go to rebar, and then you can check which type of reinforcement you want to take. I'm taking suppose 180-degree or straight one, and we can place it as a parallel first. Okay.
Okay.
And see, if you want to give reinforcement under the column, so you need to change it. Select it and then take it outside. Okay. It's up to us.
Mm.
See how we want to place it. You want to give the reinforcement under the column also to give more strength. You can use it like this. How many numbers are there you want to give? You can change into the numbers. Like 3 I required. And the bottom also I read 3. So we can take like this. Easy. And then how many strips you required in it? Go for strips. See, these all are the shapes. Where you are required, you can use their size. And suppose 300 mm. Like this, we can place it. See, Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Niranjan, Nishi, Varsha, Vishakha.
Yes, clear. I have one doubt.
Tell me.
For reinforcement, we have to have the structural member, right?
See?
Or for reinforcement, adding a reinforcement,
From your
we
side.
have, hello.
Hello.
Yeah, for adding reinforcement, we have to have this structural member, right? It won't
Right.
work with architectural member, correct?
Yes. Correct.
So when we were learning about this whole modeling of the row house, we just have added roof by using architectural roof. So for architectural roof, it won't work, correct?
Yes. Correct.
Yeah. So if I have to add this slab, reinforcement slab, I have to use this structural slab.
Yes. Floor or slab.
Yeah, okay.
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 Okay. Now, see, if we are going with, see, beam, column, and foundation is clear. How to give the reinforcement to them? Now,
One doubt.
next is, yes,
Hello.
tell me.
Yeah, if we want to change cover for column and beam, so
Hmm.
how to change the cover?
See, we have to select the particular object.
Okay.
Okay. And then you can go with rebar cover here. It is interior such as 40 will be there. You can change from them.
Okay.
It is in the properties. Okay. Otherwise, you want,
Yes.
see, there is not your object, then you can add it through cover setting. I show you before the go to structure, go to cover, and you can place it your settings here. Suppose you want here the 30 is not there. You want 30 In the beam you want 30 It is not here. Then what to do? You can create one more framing and column portion, and you can use duplicate of it, and you can give the value of 30 here, and you can click on OK. Now we have added one more rebar. Select your beam here. I want 30 rebar in this case. Then you can go with your, sorry, section is selected now. Now beam is selected. Go with its reinforcement here. Change it by 30 one.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Now any other doubts?
It means that if we will be adding this cover option from structure, unless
Hmm.
until we change for individual, it will remain same for all. I mean to say now you've shown this structure. In structure, there is a cover option, right? Can you
Right.
click on that? There are several options in there for beam, column, cover only, in structure
It,
and cover. In structure, cover. There are options of all means all kind of options are there, right? So unless until we modify for individual, it will take directly this cover setting or how it works.
it is taken from here. Na? I'm using right now this one in this beam.
Yeah, do you mean every time I have to select it or it will directly take from this? If I
No, no, every
will,
time you
okay,
want to change. See, by default, the value in the framing it is 40 and
okay,
in foundation it is 50 by default.
Okay.
You want to
Okay.
change, you need to change it.
Okay.
You need to
So by
select
default
from
it
there.
will do
Okay.
this. Okay. Okay.
Yes. Any other doubt? Any doubt? No doubt. Now we are going with area into the slab. So I'm going to level 1. Here we have slab here or this side.
Print level we have taken.
Okay, at plinth level. Here we have slab. No? Now we have to give some area reinforcement to the slab, or I can show you in the outside. Now let's take it in this. Here we have area slab. Okay, in this case, you need to create one rectangle for which portion you want to fill with area reinforcement. Okay, click on it. It shows on which you have to apply. This is the slab now. Here it is. Apply in this slab. Okay, so which portion you want to cover? This is rebar line we need to create. This portion we had to cover. Now suppose we had to cover from whole portion. I need to cover. Okay, click on done. That portion is see, with filled with area reinforcement. This is area system directly applied on your slab. Here it is. Top reinforcement as well as bottom reinforcement. All here it is. See, both reinforcement is there. The top and bottom. There is some hole suppose in middle, so we can change the added boundary. There is some cut is there. We can't fill with the reinforcement. We can edit the boundary and create here. The shape is open, so it is open now. Okay. Clear? Any doubt? It's very easy to use. If you want to show the reinforcement into there, you can easily do that. Niranjan, is this okay? You're asking for slab reinforcement example. That area reinforcement we can apply. Okay. Next we have path. Just suppose we have different shape. Then how we can do that? So suppose I have one more shape. I'm going to create one type of foundation. So that we need to create it now. Okay, let's do that now. See, I want to create one reinforcement. Foundation I want to create with suppose polygon shape. Then I'm going to add it here. New file of family. Okay, don't go with it. Okay, I tell you how to create. Okay. Now, we have to select we are working with metric now. We have to go into family. Family templates we have to use now. RBT 18 family template, and I want to use here imperial means English. Here we have all type of templates. See, I need it here. Foundation one. Let's take foundation, structural foundation. Open it. Now I want to create one polygonal shape. Okay, I'm going to extrusion, take a polygon, take its size, and click on done. Okay, now I need to place this one into our project. Load into project and going to level 1. Again, go to family. $300 is okay. No, I'm suppose 500 and load into the project. First, I'm going to save that file. I'm going to save it as a family. No, I'm saving it at a desktop. Okay, at desktop, I want to save it with name suppose hex. Now I'm going to open our project and in the foundation, I want to place it isolated. And see it is here now. Now, in that case, if you want to place the reinforcement, so can't place by simple reverse. Okay, because it is a different shape. That shape we can fill with path area. We have to select this one as a path and then we can place the path reinforcement. We can apply in anywhere, okay, in slabs also. We have to check the path and which portion we want to fill with. We have to go with the path. I'll show you into the floor also, but it's not taken on this. We are applying the path here. See on this, and then you have to select the open path here. Suppose I need to place the on it. These three sides I want to place the reinforcement. Okay, done. So it is taken outside. I want inside. You have to press arrow this side. Inside you have to place. And which type of foundation? The system. You can select. It is show all system. See how many are there. Okay. You want to select on. You want to show only last and first. You want to show only middle. You can press. In this case, only first and last will be visible. Okay. or you want to place middle only? Middle only will be visible. Otherwise, select all. You can select all. Okay. See, we can remove some portion also. You can see in 3D also. It is like this. Path reinforcement. You can give the offset value with this gap. We can change this one portion also. Okay. Edit. You can edit anytime your path or offset value. Clear? If you have different shape, we can use the path option also. Otherwise, generally we are using area portion. See, we can place by area also. We have to choose this. First I'm taking top view. No, it's not shows top. Now it's working. Select it. Go for area reinforcement. Create your area. In area, we had to create a closed shape. In path, we had to create an open shape. Complete it. See, it is filled with this. Okay.
Yes, sir.
The measure is 300 mm. Bar diameter is 13 mm. Minor spacing is 300 mm. You want to change it, you can change it any time in the area system. All are available into the properties. See how many bars are there. You can see here. Shows all the properties. Now tell me, in area, in path, in area, in the bar, any doubt? In cover, any doubt? Nishi, Varsha, Shakha.
This we practice will not.
Sorry.
Oh, it's clear.
Okay.
Now it's clear.
Tell me what is fabric area?
It must be means modified size shapes.
Modify shapes? No. Any other? Any other having doubt? Or tell me fabric area. What is fabric area? If you didn't know that, so first try to find out it. What is the fabric area? Then tell me tomorrow. Okay. Now we are going with rebar coupler. What is coupler? When we have the joint into the rebar system, then we can use our coupler. Or if there is a end, but it is outside from the uh, ceramic portion, we can use at the end the rebar coupler. So here we have two types of rebar couplers. Rebar shapes, rebar couplers are here. Open, these four are here. Huh? See, now I'm opening all. Now you can see into the Here we have coupler, we have multiple choices here. This is standard coupler, then we have transition coupler. Now I'm going to take a standard coupler first and place at the top. See, this is like between the two bars like this, but right now we didn't have that, so we are going to place at the bar end. See, we can place it like this. This is at the end side, and we have joint over there. Then we can use this place between two bars. Okay, you can see how we can use it. So let's suppose I'm going to add it into this. I'm going to section view, and now I'm breaking here one object. Go to edit sketch. First remove the coupler because I'm changing the height of it. I'm going to 3D and remove the couplers first. Okay, now section view. Edit sketch, or you can change the size of it. Now here it is, and one more you want to place it in this rebar, straight rebar I'm going to place, parallel. Now see, we have two portion, 1 and 2. I need to give here rebar coupler between two. The rebar sets have different number of bars. Okay, here we have, I think, three bars are there, and the top we have 1. So change it by 3. Now again rebar coupler, and we can join these two. See, we are joining with rebar coupler. Is that okay? If the bar are short, so we can increase the height of it by using rebar couplers also. This is okay. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, now try to use it now. If you have doubt, ask me. Hello. Is there any doubt? No doubt. Hello. I'm audible.
Yes.
Tell me, any? Have you tried?
No, we are not getting license.
You're not getting license means you didn't have Revit at home.
I have.
Hmm.
It also
Of,
not getting license.
yeah, Office Revit, which we have installed now, which we
Hmm.
are not getting. All
So you're
three
not
of
able.
us. Yeah, all three of us.
Okay, hurry. Hurry, are you there? Niranjan? Okay. So tomorrow we are learning how to create the staircase in it and then give the reinforcement to that. Okay. Clear? One day after tomorrow we are going with, if we have time tomorrow, so we are going with family files also.
Saturday we having class.
Tomorrow we have class. Saturday, yes, we have. Because
How many total lectures are
in
there?
the lecture, I think 10.
Total. Okay.
10.
5
Then it will be
we have finished. Yeah.
okay. Taken 2 or 3 more, or if thereafter we have to give more lectures, we can. There is not a problem. Huh? You have to complete it first.
Yeah.
Okay, then practice it first. Tomorrow we are going for the staircase with reinforcement. Then we are going for family.
Shirish,
Clear? Yes.
Shirish, tomorrow I will not be there because I have some personal reason. I have to go to native place.
Okay.
Yeah, visiting my relatives. Dismiss of some family member. So tomorrow I will not be there. So requesting you to, can you please start families when I will be there? That's my request, humble request.
Tomorrow we are some other portion.
Okay, thank you.
Staircase, reinforcement, and other portion.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Okay then. Good night. Keep practice. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you
If
so
it is
much.
not
Thank you.
your some home, then you can practice in the office.
Yes.
Okay then. Bye.
Okay.
Good night.
Good night.
Hari, Niranjan. Have you practiced? Both are not answering.